What's up, everybody? This is your buddy of Helen and Hawthorne, and I'm here with an unboxing that's kind of scary. It's kind of making a little bit of noise. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana. I'm worried that it's a scale that's broke. Oh no, it's okay. It's a lot better than a broken scale, because I thought I ordered a new scale, but no. I ordered some almonds and some jerky. So we got Jackslinks brand jalapeno carne seca beef jerky. Love it. Do you guys like it? Leave a comment below. This is what that was making the noise. This is bold salt and vinegar from Blue Diamond. Yeah, so about a whole case of those. You save, do the Amazon subscribe and save. I'd love to know what you guys think of these products. Do you guys recommend another jerky brand, another jerky, another almond brand? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username, London Hawthorne, when you're checking out at websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Save $3 or more off every single shirt that you purchase. I get a couple bucks in store credit. I wish you the best. Have a great day.